Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Feniex Quad Hideaway lights. The Feniex Quad Hideaway lights do have all four colors in one surface mount module, so that means you get amber, blue, red, and white inside this one compact Hideaway light. The light does not have any inline drivers, it's all self-contained, so all you have is this about 10-inch or so wiring harness that comes off the back of the light. Included with the light is a foam gasket, goes around the light like so, and that protects and seals the surface that you're mounting it into. Available separately are something like this bezel, which mounts around the light and allows you to surface mount it. So you can mount that to a fender, inside a wheel well, or anywhere else you might be able to mount this self-contained light. Also available is the option to purchase this 360-degree optic. It's currently a 120-degree optic, but this 360-degree optic will allow you to reach deeper into the light and reflect the light within the light. So if you have a tail light or a headlight and you want to mount this light into it, you can use the 360-degree optic that will reach deep into the light and reflect the light utilizing the reflector inside the headlight. It has 3 modes, and you can change the modes by using one of the different wires here, which is red for mode 1, amber and white for modes 2 and 3. The green wire allows you to change the color, and you do so by taking the green wire, taking the green wire and tapping it to positive for about 1 second. You'll have all the possible color combinations, such as single colors, amber, blue, red, and white, dual colors, tricolors, and of course, quad color. You also have the option to change the flash pattern, utilizing the blue wire, tapping that to ground. The total of 24 LEDs 24 4-watt LEDs within the light, and each of those LEDs is divided up across the 4 colors with 6 pieces each. Each mode can set a different flash pattern, so you can set a steady burn on one mode, and that will operate totally independently from another mode where you can set a different color and flash pattern. Let me show you how easy it is to sync these up. I'm going to simply connect our reds and our blacks together, power those up. Next, take our pattern changing wire and hold it down for about 5 seconds. You'll notice the light turned on. And if I hold it down for 5 seconds again, you'll notice the light turns on with red. Red is your leader and blue is your follower. So if you want the lights to alternate, set one as a leader and one as a follower. And if you want them to flash simultaneously, set them both as leaders or followers. Now I'm going to repeat the same process for my other light over here. And now, once I have them both reset and set to leaders and followers, I'm going to connect the blue wires together. If you notice, I have this light over here set to quad, and this light over here set to dual color blue and white. So the flash patterns are going to look a little different as it alternates between all 4 colors over here and just the 2 colors over here. If I wanted to, I can change the colors on each light, and it will change up the way that they flash back and forth together. So that's about it. That's how easy it is to do. Let me show you how easy it is to remove the optic and mount the 360-degree optic. So for this, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. You're going to insert it into the side of the back side lens. Very gently but firmly push it in and then push it forward. I'll repeat the same thing over here. Again, you don't want to press too hard where you break it, but not too soft where it doesn't come out. Press it here, so just want to be careful of the board here, don't want to damage any of those LEDs. Next, insert the reflector on top, and the black gasket goes, or black O-ring rather, goes right on top of the reflector like so. And I'll insert that into the optic. There we go. Want to make sure your optic is sealed around the edge and meets the heat sink, nice and flush. I want to make sure the cone reflector is set right in the center inside of the light. Now, let me power this back up and show you how the light will now reflect out and backwards. And compare that over here to our 120-degree optic. So you can see how the light is reflecting very differently. This one almost reflecting back onto the table, outwards onto me, whereas this one will shine forward and out. These lights are made in the USA and carry a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.